do you got?
Control arm. Control arm.
Oh, all the spindles done.
A spindle.
A spindle done. Control arm, you just got to get the ball joint out.
Yeah, we're just gonna pop this.
And you got to get that out, and then I guess we're going to be in cleanup mode. Because it's a good spot to stop.
Yeah.
Wow.
I think we got a lot done.
That's a lot done.
Oh, perfect.
God, the uploads. Alright. Woo! Wow, Peter.
Look at me.
Look at that. You've been working. Yeah.
I'll my glove again.
Oh, we still have to bang this out.
Oh, yeah. We'll need
I don't know why this is so much more difficult on this
that
side.
one part. That one's done.
I know we've got two in this shop.
Woo. What are you doing? You shop dogging? Shop dogging. Shop dogging.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
All right, so getting the other one out carefully. And then that'll be a
Oh, God,
wrap.
this one.
Oh, Luna.
Well, damn, look at that strength. He just tapped it a couple
Luna's
times.
like,
and
you
out
know,
it
that was
went.
my cheese plate.
Now, how bad is this?
Well, she finished it though, right?
Yeah.
Where's that food?
She's good.
That's paint off the floor.
Oh,
Now, how bad is this one?
that bushing's.
Not great.
Oh, God.
Yeah, it's pretty much.
Yeah.
You want to put that back in here and
Yeah,
then
worse than that.
isn't my
Trying to chase the threads on these. This one's all right.
Nice. All right. Mission accomplished.